Hey there, and welcome back to Ed News, your go-to source for the latest updates in the world of international education. Today, we're diving into the most sought-after study destinations and their latest policy changes: the UK, USA, France, Singapore, and Australia. So let's get started. The UK remains a top choice for international students, with over 679,970 learners joining its renowned universities in 2023. Exciting changes are on the horizon. Postgraduate students, especially those pursuing PhDs, will continue to enjoy the opportunity to bring dependence while they focus on their research. Starting January 2025, students in London will need to demonstrate financial readiness of £1,483 per month, while those outside London will need £1,136. The UK is waiting. Now it's time to move on to what's happening in the US. 2024 is expected to break records with US-bound Indian students. The numbers are climbing year on year, with over 140,000 visas issued in 2023 alone. Despite being STEM-dominated, more students are eyeing fields like social sciences and arts. Looking at the higher interest level of Indian students in the US institutions, many universities who were not previously recruiting students from India have started their recruitment. What a surge in US interest. Now let's shift focus to Singapore. Singapore is making it easier for students to bring along family support, but each student is still limited to being accompanied by only one guardian. The newest policy allows male family members to apply for long-term visit passes. Now you can focus on your studies while your family is there with you during your academic pursuits. A great move by Singapore. Moving on to the City of Lights, France. France welcomed 430,000 international students in 23-24. A solid 4.6% growth. Demand from India and China is skyrocketing, especially in business schools and engineering programs. It's clear, France is pushing to remain competitive and attracting global talent. From the charm of France, let's journey down to Australia. Australia is bringing a significant change in student visas. Starting in 2025, a total of 270,000 new student visas will be issued, including 145,000 reserved for public universities. If you've got your sights set on vocational or higher education, now's the time to bring your A game. The path may be competitive, but it's also an incredible opportunity to stand out and secure your place in the world's most sought-after educational destination. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Ed News. Keep tuning in for more updates and how these changes could impact your study abroad plans. Until next time, stay informed.